As electric vehicles continue to grow in popularity, BYD, the world's leading manufacturer of new energy vehicles, is making a strong push to democratize EV ownership. And with over 1.8 million NEVs sold in 2023 alone, the brand has cemented its place as a notable player in the global EV market. Here in the Philippines, AC Mobility has been pushing for more sustainable vehicles on the road, bringing BYD's offerings to our market. What up guys, Miguel here from YUGA-to-know, and here's everything you got to know about BYD's latest fully electric subcompact, the BYD Seagull. Poised as the go-to EV for first-time car owners or first-time EV owners for that matter, this thing could also be a second car for a growing family, maybe with a favorite kid breaching into their adolescence, or maybe a fresh grad looking for their first car because their office is far away and they don't work from home. Let's find out if the BYD Seagull lives up to these goals. At the heart of the Seagull's performance is BYD's Blade battery. This isn't it, the actual battery is underneath the car. The battery under the car promises a range of up to 300 kilometers, which should cover most daily commutes and even longer trips. Coupled with BYD's E-Platform 3.0, the Seagull is engineered for efficiency and performance, but let's see for ourselves in a quick bit. The Seagull also introduces several tech-forward features, including BYD Connect for real-time communication between the car and driver, or a BYD Voice Assistant for voice commands, and vehicle-to-load capability, allowing the car to be used as a gigantic power bank for all your appliances that goes up to 220 volts, which can be great for road trips and emergencies, but we'll show you that in a little bit too. For a subcompact, the Seagull does not skimp out on too much features, considering how much it will be selling for in our Philippine market. We also get a 4-airbag system to boot, which is a little rare for a subcompact at this budget, not to mention an EV. So that's awesome. Though compact in size, the Seagull doesn't compromise on performance. At 3,780 millimeters long, 1,750 millimeters wide, and 1,540 millimeters tall, with a 2,500 millimeter wheelbase, the Seagull is built to navigate city streets and tight esquinitas with ease. It's equipped with a 55 kilowatt or 74 horsepower motor delivering 135 Newton meters of torque. The folks from BYD actually told us it goes from 0 to 50 kilometers in just 4.9 seconds, making it responsive for both city driving and short highway trips. The ride is further enhanced by its modern design featuring LED lights, a striking rear LED light bar, and a comfortable ergonomic interior with features like wireless charging here at the center, NFC keycard access, and a 10.1-inch rotating central touchscreen. Inside, the Seagull offers plenty of tech for the connected driver. A 7-inch instrument cluster, or what we like to call the iPad mini, keeps vital information like your PSI, your driving range, all that stuff in easy view. While the 10.1-inch rotating central touchscreen infotainment unit would support for Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. So this infotainment features the BYD Voice Assistant, and we can also get updates over the air just like a smartphone, which is very techy. But with the BYD Voice Assistant, all we have to do is say, "Hi BYD, bring me to FM 89.9. It actually is responsive, and when it does work flawlessly, it's awesome. Okay, so to get the Android Auto, what I need to do is here, system, Bluetooth. Oh, that's me. So check this out, right? No wires. Sick! And then check this, follow the phone, wireless charger. One of the Seagull's biggest selling points is its long-term cost savings. With an estimated operating cost of just 1.5 to 2 pesos per kilometer as per AAP's efficiency run, it's a much cheaper alternative to traditional fuel-powered engine. BYD also claims up to 70% savings on preventive maintenance services or your PMS sa casa thanks to fewer parts needing upkeep. So instead of frequent trips to the dealership, the Seagull requires only a once-a-year visit. If the numbers hold true, this could make the Seagull one of the most cost-effective EVs in the market. A key concern for potential EV buyers is charging. The Seagull addresses this by offering 2 free charging solutions that come with a purchase. A 7-kilowatt wall charger for home use. You may still have to shed out some cash to have it installed in your homes. There is also a 1.7 kilowatt portable charger for added convenience, which you can just plug to a 220 volt wall socket. Furthermore, the Seagull supports AC/DC fast charging via the CCS2 port, allowing you to charge the battery from 30% to 80% in just under 30 minutes. Additionally, AC Mobility projects a network of 100 charging stations by the end of the year, which means we can expect public charging to become increasingly accessible. But in our opinion, home charging would have to be one of the biggest draws for owning an EV in the first place. So that's the BYD Seagull. It's positioned to be a very affordable, feature-rich entry point into the world of electric vehicles. With its low operating costs and advanced tech features and BYD's global position in the automotive EV market, it seems like a great option for first-time car buyers, young professionals just looking for their first car or EV to get them from point A to B. It's also a direct competitor for ICE cars of this subcompact class like a Toyota Wigo or even a Mitsubishi Mirage. However, whether it meets the real-world expectations of first-time buyers remains to be seen. But don't get us wrong, BYD has sold a bunch of BYD Seagulls like all over the world in the first half of 2024. So this is actually a tested and proven successful enough platform. It's just, is it successful enough to be on our Philippine roads? We think so, but the truth is only time will truly tell. So, what did you guys think of the BYD Seagull? Is this your first EV in the Philippines or even your first car? Let us know if you guys think it's worth picking up or even just checking out in the comment section below. The day this video is posted, which should be September 27, all of you guys can check out the BYD Seagull in person in BYD retailers nationwide. You can also go to Ayala Malls, Manila Bay to check out the BYD Seagull demo debuting on the 27th. And yeah, pricing, low-key, we can't be revealing pricing yet. We do know how much it is though, so we will have it pinned in the comment section once this video is published. So, that's it for the BYD Seagull. Again, let us know what you guys think in the comment section below. And if you found this video informative, educational, or helpful, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com and follow yugaauto.com as well for the latest tech and auto news and reviews. Once again, this has been Miguel, that's Earl, our cameraman over there, and Wax right behind him. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.